Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we're not going to be unboxing anything and we're not going to be storing any photo cards. For today's video, we're going to be setting up for the Rise comeback. So we have here all our fillers. I also have my iPad here to show you what will be the inclusion in particular to the versions that they release, or at least they already shown online. But basically, these are the target photo cards that we're going to be collecting once the new comeback drop. So as you know, this is one of my favorite collection recently. So this is my binder, Rise binder. This is a 2.5-inch binder. And so far, knowing that Rise is a fairly new group, but we already accumulated a lot of photo cards for them. They're one of the bias group that I have aside from Treasure that I'm actively collecting. So let's start. Um, First off, I want to show you first the binder. So far these are the photo cards that we have. I have some photo cards that I'm still waiting from my Mercari Japan haul. Watch out for that unboxing. But basically, these are the photo cards that we have. I'm not gonna do a quick flip through, but I'll definitely show you guys once we have some photo cards to store in this particular binder. Okay, so first off, we'll need to add sleeves for this binder so that we could put on our fillers. So this is the sleeve that I'm using, an Ultra Pro Platinum Series 9 pocket sleeve. So let's get some, and then we'll put some here. There you go. And then we'll remove this fillers so that we could start storing our photo cards, or at least the filler, not the photo cards. Okay, so I have my iPad here so we could see what will be the inclusion, or what are the target collection or photo cards that we're going to be getting. So we'll start with the photo book version. So this is a full SM release. So the first one, when they did Get a Guitar, they only released 2 versions, and each version has just 1 out of the 6 photo card randomly if you buy a particular album. And then Talk Saxy and Love 119 is a digital release. So basically, most of the photo cards that they got there are from either a fan sign event or merchandise. But this time around, they're doing the whole thing. So we have here 3 photo book version. So this is the first one, the Boom Boom Bass. The Boom Boom Bass version, so they have cover, of course, photo book, 88 pages. So I think this is a little bit on the thinner side. They have a folded poster, 1 out of 7. So I would assume, aside from the solo members poster, they also have a group photo or group poster. And then we have here the sticker, the CD, and then as you can see, we have photo card 1 out of 6. So there's random and only one set. Okay, so that's the Boom Boom Bass. The second version is Impossible version. So again, they have the cover, the photo book, the folded poster. They have a photo print. I don't know if they have a photo print. Oh, they also have a photo print on the Boom Boom Bass version. It has one as well. So it's almost the same in terms of the items that you're going to be getting. But of course, this is random to that particular version. So they have stickers, CD, and then again, random photo card, 1 out of 6. I think out of the 3 version, this is my favorite photo card set. Let's see. And then the last one is the Rising Day. So it comes with a cover as well, photo book, folded poster, photo print, the sticker, CD, and the photo card set. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're going to be putting on our binder. So these are the fillers for the photo card or photo book version. So we'll start with the Boom Boom Bass. Okay, so this is the label. If this is the first time that you're seeing me doing my binder updating, I usually put label on the as a reference on what particular merchandise or album that I got that particular photo cards. We have Shotaro, Unsuk, Sunshan, Bonbin. So I'm putting it in age order. So we have Bonbin here. And then we have Sohee. And then lastly, we have Anton. There you go. And then for the next version, we have the Impossible version. So this is the label. So by the way, for the filler, for the temporary filler that I'm using, these are the Rice dolls. I think they introduced this during Rising Day merch. Not really sure. But these are their dolls, equivalent to each member. Sohee here, and then Anton. Nice, okay. And then the version 3 for the photo book version is this Rising Day. There you go. Next version, since this is a full SM release, aside from the 3 photo book, they are also releasing an SM Mini. So there are 6 versions of the SM Mini. I only bought one version. For the photo book, I think I bought 3 copies per version, so 9 copies all in all for the photo book. Because I ordered something with a pre-order benefit. I'll talk to you about that later. But for SM Mini, I only bought one set. So there are 6 member specific SM Mini. So you're gonna be getting, aside from the mini case, the packaging, the music NFC CD, and then we have the photo cards. So for the photo cards, I think it's not member specific, it's random. Random one photo card out of 6, regardless of the version of the member that you're going to be getting. Okay, so these are the photo cards. Hopefully with the one set that I order, we're not going to be getting a lot of duplicates. So this is our filler for the SM Mini. There you go. I know this type of video is not that exciting compared to photo card storing video, but I want to share it with you regarding what are the targeted photo cards that we're gonna be trying to collect for this comeback. There you go for SM Mini. Next is the collect book. So for the collect book version, these are the inclusion. They have the cover, and then a photo book, a 96 pager photo book. Nice. It also comes with a decorative pack, 1 out of 3. So these are the set version, the set A, B, and C. And then we have a portrait photo. The portrait photo is 1 out of 12. So there are 2 versions per member. So that's 12. And then we have the CD and the CD envelope. We have the photo card envelope. And then, of course, we have the photo cards. So for the collect book, there are set, you're going to be getting one set of photo card randomly, 1 out of 3. So this is really nice. It means that you basically have to get just one or at least 3 collect book to complete all 3 if you're lucky enough to pull different versions. But basically, these are the photo cards for the collect book. Nice. Okay, so we'll set that up. So we have here 3 set of photo cards or 3 set of filler. So this is the verse set A. For the collect book, I think I only purchased 3 copies. Hopefully that would be enough for us to collect all the 3 version. If not, we'll just have to purchase another one, or we could look into some of the people who are selling their version, and if people would be also available for trading if I did pull a duplicate photo card set. So this is version B. So all in all, we are looking at about 80 to 90 photo cards to collect. But knowing that there will be a lot of pre-order benefit, pubs, maybe some fan sign events that we want to collect, I think it's safe to say that we're going to be getting about 100 to 150 photo cards for this particular comeback. There you go. So that's our collect book. And then for the next version, I told you this is an SM full release. They are also doing a photo pack version. So the photo pack, I think this is like a YG tag or a tag version. So this is the package bag box. It's member specific. They have an envelope as well, an image card. By the way, I'm a little bit, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be collecting this, but I also added it on the collection because if you look at the size, the width is 55 by 85 mm, and this is 6 out of 12. So it means there are 2 version, but it specifically said 6 version. I think it's random, 2 version random across all version. I'm not really sure yet, but since this is photo card size, we'll be collecting that as well. And then they have 1 out of 18. I think this is gonna be difficult for us. There are 18 photo cards, and then you're gonna get just one, which is I don't know what I feel about that. But aside from the photo card, there are some postcard, and then this is the postcard, by the way. And then they have a QR code for the photo pack version. Okay, so it means we have 1 out of 8. It means there are 3 version of the photo card plus 2 version of the image card. So these are all our filler for that one. We'll start with the photo pack set A. Then these are all the fillers. I don't know if you guys already heard the teaser or the sample for the Boom Boom Bass. I think it's gonna be a hit. I like the beat. It's giving me impossible type of a song, which is really good. And then this is set B. It's just a shame that currently there are only 6 members in this particular comeback. We're still waiting for news about Sunghan. hopefully he'll be back because I really love collecting OT7 for Rise. Unfortunately, there are only 6 members in this release, but it is what it is, and we still support the 6 member for this particular comeback. Okay, next is the version C, this one. On a different topic, I already purchased my Rise light stick. It's already on the way, so I might be doing another or a specific unboxing for that merchandise. So watch out for that on my channel. There you go. Next, we have, this is the image card. Although it's specify on the teaser that there are 6 versions, but you're gonna pull 6 out of 12. So it means there's 2 versions. Not really sure if I'm correct. If not, I'm just gonna change this up or add a few more filler dependent on what I will pull on this particular version. But but for now, I would assume there are only 2 versions of the image card, and it is a photo card size based on the specific. So we'll just collect that as well. And then we have here the version or the set B for the image card. So mostly we are just providing fillers for the album inclusions, the photo card album inclusions. And then I'll be adding one pre-order benefit because I am already assured that I'm going to be getting it. However, in terms of pre-order benefit, I'm still waiting for them to release the type of photos in each of the pre-order benefit before I decide what to collect. But as of now, I think I'm looking at Make Store, K-Town for You, YG Select, SM Town, for the photo cards or pre-order benefit that I'll be collecting. Next, and the last one for the version is the Japanese version. This is the last one that they released. I wasn't expecting that they're going to be doing a Japanese version for this particular comeback, but they did for the first one. So this is the cover or the Japan exclusive version. They also have the cover, the photo book, the folded poster, the photo print. So it's the same as the photo book version. They have the stickers and CD, and they have the photo card, one photo card set. Nice. So instead of waiting for this one, I decided to collect it as well. Although I haven't ordered anything yet for the Japan version. I'm not seeing anybody yet selling them as of now. But once it's dropped, I could purchase a version, or if not, I might be just be purchasing the photo cards via Mercari. I think it's gonna be available there since some of my Japanese version cards for the Get a Guitar came from Mercari. So we have Sunshan, Wonbin here, Sohi, and then we have Anton. Okay, and then last one we have the pre-order benefit. I mentioned that I ordered one set already in one of the store. It is via with Mew. So I am assured when I purchase 6 copy, I am assured that I'll be getting the complete set. So I already did some filler here since I'll be getting it anyway. So we have here the filler for the with Mew pre-order benefit set. We have here Wonbin. Then Last two, we have Zoe and Anton. There you go. So as you can see, we already set up and ready for the Rising comeback. This is the Rise first mini album. And then we already set up our fillers here. Nice. Okay. So that's it for our setup for our Rise comeback. If you love this type of video, or if you want to see how we collect all these photo cards in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question, comment down below. And of course, support the channel, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.